Email marketing. Good day. Scarecrow here. Today, I will cover email marketing. So, let's begin. Email marketing remains a powerful and effective digital marketing channel, even in today's social media-driven world. It's a direct way to connect with your audience, nurture leads, and drive conversions. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. What is email marketing? Email marketing involves using email to promote products or services, build relationships with potential customers, or keep current customers engaged. It's a form of direct marketing that allows you to communicate personalized messages to a targeted audience. Key components. Email list. A collection of email addresses from individuals who have given you permission to contact them. Building a quality email list is essential for effective email marketing. Email Service Provider, ESP. A platform that allows you to create, send, and manage email campaigns. Examples include MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Sendinblue. Email campaigns. Series of emails sent to a specific segment of your email list. Different types of campaigns include newsletters, promotional offers, and automated sequences. Email design. Creating visually appealing and mobile-friendly emails. Using clear and concise language. Email automation. Setting up automated email sequences that are triggered by specific actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Automated emails can save time and improve efficiency. Email analytics. Tracking key metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Analyzing data to optimize email campaigns. Benefits of email marketing. Direct communication allows you to connect directly with your audience. Targeted messaging enables you to send personalized messages based on audience segments. Cost-effective, often more cost-effective than other marketing channels. Measurable results, provides detailed analytics to track campaign performance. Builds relationships, helps nurture leads and build customer loyalty. Drives traffic, can drive traffic to your website or landing pages. Increased conversions, can lead to increased sales and conversions. Types of email marketing. Newsletters, regular updates and valuable information. Promotional emails, offers, discounts, and sales announcements. Transactional emails, order confirmations, shipping notifications, and password resets. Welcome emails, automated emails sent to new subscribers. Abandoned cart emails, reminders to customers who left items in their shopping carts. Re-engagement emails, emails designed to re-engage inactive subscribers. Now, best practices. Build an opt-in email list, only send emails to people who have given you permission. Segment your audience, send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers. Personalize your emails, use the subscriber's name and tailor the content to their interests. Create compelling subject lines, make them attention-grabbing and relevant. Use a clear call to action, tell subscribers what you want them to do. Optimize for mobile, ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. Test and analyze, track your results and make adjustments as needed. Comply with regulations, adhere to email marketing laws, such as CAN-SPAM and GDPR. Email marketing, when done right, can be a highly effective tool for achieving your marketing goals. Now, if you like the topic, give a like or comment or hit the subscribe bell for more.